So we're out doing some digging, exposing a mineralized area. You can see you have oxidation from your mineralization in your host rock here. This is your host rock. Not a lot of it exposed in the road here, just lots of loose pieces. And just off that, this is what we've exposed so far. We have shown this in a previous video, but we've exposed it quite a bit more, and we think the mineralization and vein gets quite a bit bigger. So just off the road here, you have mineralization all along here in quartz. You have massive sulfides running beside quartz as well as through quartz, pyrite, chalcopyrite, some magnetite in there. So I'm going to show you some of the samples that we've chipped off of each section of the vein. This one is one of the ones we pulled off from here a few days ago before it had rained. And you can see the mineralization, magnetite, chalcopyrite, and pyrite. So pretty intense mineralization. Mineralization goes into your schists as well as your quartz. So an initial sample that we actually took from the side of the quartz vein, where there was a solid vein of sulfides farther this way. We had an XRF done on it, 56 grams per ton gold and 31 grams per ton silver with a little bit of copper. So that wasn't even in the quartz, that was just your side mineralization in your schist, chunk of solid mineral. So then going this way, we've exposed it here, took a little chip off here, there's still sulfides there, and then it takes a turn. And we're exposing it right in between here, but we're positive it's connected. Right here, you have more mineralization in your schists as well as your quartz. And again, we haven't exposed this fully here, but we think the vein starts to get a bit bigger as you go. So you got some chloratization in the vein as well. And this is just a solid hunk of iron sulfides. As you go farther up, mineral starts to get more and more exposed. Here is, again, another sample that we pulled off. Pretty intense mineralization. So here's the actual vein itself. You can see all the mineralization in quartz. And this is the solid sulfide vein, which is varying from 1 centimeter up to 10 centimeters in thickness, and it's interwoven with the quartz. Mineralization over here, and it's all the way over here as well. So at this point, we're at about a 35 to 40 centimeter wide mineralized area. And as you go farther up, you have more schists in here with your quartz, with mineral all throughout. Solid mineral vein, quartz, schists. So I think they're kind of interwoven and basically on top of each other. The first initial sample that we actually took was from right here. This patch right here, schists on the side, and you have a small 3-4 centimeter wide vein. So here's some samples from the quartz vein. Sporadic amounts of mineralization in this area, and I'd say approximately you're looking at about 60% of the vein is mineralized, maybe more in the areas like this. Up here you can see more quartz, and look at the sulfide mineralization there, solid masses. Here's some from the actual host rock. Just outside here you can see even that has mineralization in the foliations of your schists. And then as you go farther up, it looks like it gets wider and wider before it dives underneath the overburden here, and I think that's where we're going to stop exposing it. Don't know how far this goes. Would like to find out. Decent sized vein, decent amount of mineralization, and let's get a good look at how big this is. So that is kind of where we started. This is about I'd say 10-12 meters, about 35 feet long from the start to here. So pretty decent size that we've exposed it over, and decent mineralization. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Thanks for watching. Take care.